Meet the JBL Junior Free, open-ear wireless headphones that let kids enjoy their favorite sounds safely while still hearing everything happening around them. With a soft, lightweight design, up to 10 hours of playtime, and JBL Safe Sound keeping the volume below 85 decibels, they're made for curious kids who love to explore, learn, and have fun. Let's see how everything works. When you open the box, you will find the JBL Junior Free headphones, packaging that transforms into a reusable device stand, a colorful sticker set to personalize your device stand, and a quick start guide. Getting started is simple. Press and hold the button on the left side for 2 seconds to turn the headphones on. Open up the Bluetooth settings on your device and select JBL Junior Free. With multi-point connection, you can connect up to 2 devices at once. Switching between a tablet for schoolwork and a phone for music is super smooth. The controls are purposely designed with bigger, easy-to-press buttons, perfect for small hands. Press the button on the left side once to play or pause audio or answer and hang up a phone call. With the plus and minus buttons on the right side, the volume can be adjusted. If you hold the plus for 2 seconds, you can skip to the next song, and if you hold the minus for 2 seconds, you can go to the previous song. The built-in microphone helps kids to be heard more clearly during online lessons, voice messages, or quick check-ins with friends and family. And with the JBL Headphones app, parents have access to smart tools that help make listening safe and balanced. You can set your own volume limit below the Safe Sound 85 decibels cap, choose daily playtime limits, and see real-time or weekly listening reports. And if you want to keep the settings locked, you can secure them with a personal PIN code. Charging the Junior Free is quick and easy. Charge the headphones with a USB-C cable. A full charge takes up to 2 hours, and if you need a quick boost, just 10 minutes of charging gives up to 3 hours of extra playtime. Don't throw away the packaging. You can transform it into a practical device stand that fits a phone or tablet. Decorate it with the included stickers to give it a fun, personalized look. Safe and comfortable, that's the JBL Junior Free.